What about you? Robbie from Premier Lawns. This video is just to thank all you guys that have subscribed to my channel. 1,000 subs, absolutely amazing. Christmas Day, I had 1,000 subs, I can't believe it. I only really properly started the channel in January, and the channel's going to 1,000 subs. So listen, to everyone that's subscribed, thank you so much. It means an awful lot to me. Now look, to mark the occasion, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. You don't have to do too much to win. I'm going to be giving away this book by David Hedgegore's, the complete guide to modern lawn care. Fantastic book for anybody that wants to learn about lawn care. This book's no longer in print and you can't get it. So I'm going to be giving this away, and I'm going to be giving a £20 Amazon gift card away. So make sure you watch the video to find out how to do that. So stick around. What up, you? Welcome back. I hope everybody had an absolutely fantastic Christmas and they're really super pumped for 2020. I'm really looking forward to the start of the year and get the year off to a good start. So listen, everybody that subscribed, 1,000 subscribers, absolutely amazing. You've done it. I got my 1,000 subscriber on Christmas Day, which is absolutely fantastic. So look, thanks very much. I'm going to be talking about in a minute how you can win this book, but I just want to tell you about some of the different things that's going to come up on the channel next year, 2020. So I'm going to do a series of videos on my own lawn and how you can improve, and DIY, advanced DIY tips about tools and products that you can use and to get your lawn up to that next standard. Some of my most requested videos are from guys just starting out, and they always ask me about marketing, how I market myself. So I'm going to be doing a series of videos on how to market small business and all that fun stuff. Coming into the spring and March time, whenever the Scarification and the lawn treatments start, my channel will be really focused just on Scarification and aerating and improving lawns, and that will go right up until the summer. And then into the summer, when to a golf club I used to work down in Bangor called Clandyboy, they're hosting a European Tour PGA event. We're going to be down there doing some behind the scenes and how those guys set the course up and maybe helping them out on the day. And those guys just take turf care just to the next level. So the next couple of videos that I do is going to be about business management software and the software I use to manage my business. And that all ties in with the secret sauce. So look, about winning this book, fantastic book. I interviewed David Hedgegore at Soltex last year, and I put a video up. I'll put a link down in the description. And a lot of people said to me that they would love this book apart from it's out of print. And if you want to try and buy it on eBay, it's an absolute fortune. So I've read it. It's not new. I'm going to give this away, and I'm going to give away a £20 voucher. I'm just going to pick a couple of comments from down below. If you want to win this book, or you want to win the £20 Amazon gift voucher, is all you need to do is just tell me what type of content you like seeing on the channel. There's no right or wrong. It just gives me a bit of an idea of what my regulars like. I'm going to be picking the winner probably in around the start of March, and I'll be in touch with you then. So look, thanks very much for watching. Again, thank you to absolutely everybody that subscribed. 1,000 subscribers is just amazing. So look, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video.